How to create a parallax motion effect. To begin, I added an image to my timeline and I would like to zoom in on the guy but zoom out of the background to create a parallax motion effect. With your image selected, go to Effect Controls and set the scale to 120 so that when we zoom out, we don't see any black borders. Now hold down the Alt key and drag the image to the above track to create a duplicate from it. With the bottom image selected, go to Effect Controls. Now place the playhead at the start and click on Stopwatch next to Scale to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the end and set Scale to 100 to create the second keyframe. Now select the top image and go to Effect Controls. Under the opacity, select the pen tool and draw a mask around your subject. And make sure to connect the last point to the first one. Now place the playhead at the start and click on Stopwatch next to Scale to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the end and set Scale to 140 to create the second keyframe. You can also increase the feather to smoothen the mask a bit. Now our effect is completed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.